I'll touch quickly upon different ways in which you can connect to other applications. APIs, SDK, CLI, MCP. I think Nikhil, you had some questions previously also. We'll quickly go through this and then I'll jump into a live demonstration, right? So what we'll do in live demonstration is I'll open a front end that I have made previously, which I think you guys have made 3 of them before. And I'll try to connect it to a Supabase and OpenAI, right? So that everything runs from the cloud. All right. So great. So generally, this is your application. You have an application, let's say in your case, you are creating a roadmap application or a tax application. You will have a lot of data that you need to store. You want users to come onto your platform, make some payments. You also probably want to take it live. Let's say that's a one-time activity. But you have a lot of data. You need people to log in. You need people to sign up. All these users should have access to only their particular data. This is something called RLS or row level security, which is one of the major security loopholes that all the vibe coding tools have, right? RLS will go through next week, but applications. Okay. So again, API is just a raw way of communicating communication between the systems. A lot of these applications offer SDKs. Have you guys tried? Do you guys know what SDK is? Eddie or Nikhil? Very good. What about you, Eddie?
It's a larger kit. It's a larger deployable kit that includes a lot of different components. Again, one of those things I did look up a while ago, but haven't used the term a lot, so it degrades.
Okay. So APIs are raw APIs, right? APIs are like non-packaged applications. So if let's say if I'm going to buy something, if I'm going to I'm going to go to a store, I will ask the store guy to give me one page of a book, right? I'm going to a bookstore. I'll say, look, in this bookstore, I just want to learn about um, how servers function or how cloud architecture functions. And I just want to know about serverless and serverful, right? That's just a page in a book, right? Some people might be selling those individual pages, right? Which only do that particular task. So APIs are like these individual pages in a book. You can take that page, you can read it, you can consume the content, you can get what you want out of it. So APIs are very, very granular in nature. Similar to you guys, I created a small medical chat assistant application, right? I think currently this responds hard-coded responses because it's a front-end only application. There I have headache. Okay. So it says I am medical assistant. I can help you understand symptoms, conditions, blah blah blah, whatever, right? I'll say what to do. It'll respond the same because these are hard-coded values, right? This is a front-end only project. Now I'll go here. Okay, I will say with AI Supabase CLI, please use it for any debugging. Okay. Generally, we can do plan mode, discuss couple of times, but I'll just show you what really happens, right? Tadam, tadam, tadam. Okay.
Trying to understand the file structure. So earlier we worked on something like a React base folder, which I think was more like a front-end framework. And then we went into that folder, gave a prompt, and it built something. This fits where? This is like a folder at the same level within the project
The same
folder,
one.
or
It's the same one. I think wherever you wrote Claude and tried to play around, created your front end, right? So in the same project, you can go and you can. So what we are doing is that code base was front end, right? Now we are going to the same code base and we're going to attach all these edge functions and databases that we talked about.